Hey y'all, I just got gas in my car and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna just do a little short or whatever. Y'all, I got put gas in my car and I'm about this much from full because I thought I was going, the little thing, I didn't have a little thing to clip, I had to hold it. $50.20. I've never paid, I got a sedan. I'd never paid that much to fill my vehicle up. $50.20, and it's not all the way full. That's why I like to fill back up when I'm on half, because you get more mileage out of your gas. And so y'all, let's continue to pray for those soldiers in war, the people of Ukraine, and pray for peace and harmony. But also, we gotta consider our servicemen and women who've actually been to war, and the fact that something like this could actually trigger them. You know what I'm saying? And so, just pray for our veterans and our military that are actually going over to support. I looked at Lester Holt and I think Peter Engel. I think they're both over there too. And we'll just pray for everybody that's over there that's in harm's way. That's why I tell y'all every day, love, love, love changes situations, people, and circumstances. It does. And we got to learn that God is in control. And sometimes we try to do things the way we want to do them, and it's not His way. We got to pray and ask for guidance. I've had some situations that I've been dealing with for decades. It ain't nothing about a relationship or nothing. It's just career moves and stuff like that. And I just haven't gotten confirmation from God to move yet. I even did a video one time where it says I got the message to bloom where I was planted. Do more work where I was. So, it's just, I don't know. It's just really sad right now. But it's really sad. But I'm just telling you, there are situations that can occur, and somebody that's actually been in a war zone, this situation may trigger them. And I wasn't aware of that. All right, y'all, it's Tuesday here in Louisiana. The weather is nasty. I don't even know if I have on lipstick. But I use hand sanitizer on my hands, though. I don't like touching my mouth. I don't sanitize my hands. But I just wanted to stop in and say hi. Keep our nation, our country, the world in prayer. Pray for our servicemen, those who are actually offering assistance, those who have actually been in the war zones, because this can affect them. Let's just pray for them, y'all. Regardless of what you think, what you may believe, we're all in this together. All right? Thanks for watching. Welcome all my new subscribers. Too much love. Bye.